Okay, we will continue the objective problems in areas. Write the next problem. The area of the circle x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus y minus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. Find area of this circle. See, this circle equation is in the form of x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle having x1 y1 and x2 y2 as ends of diameter. We know this is center of the circle and this is called diameter. This equation is in this form. What is x1 minus 1? What is y1 comparing? y1 is 1. Here what is x2? Minus x2 is 2. x2 is minus 2. Minus y2 is equal to 3. y2 is equal to minus 3. Now minus 1 1, minus 2 minus 3. These are the ends of diameter. We want to find area of this circle. We know the area of the circle is pi into r square. For this we find radius r. The distance between these 2 points A and B is the length of diameter. If diameter is known, then immediately we get the radius. AB is equal to distance between 2 points AB, root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 3 minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus 1 1 square 1 plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 square 16. So this is root 17. This is the length of the diameter. AB means diameter. Then radius r is equal to radius means half of the diameter. Root 17 by 2. Hence area of the circle is pi into r square. Pi into r square 17 by 4. This is 17 pi by 4. Next, the area between the curves y is equal to x cube, y is equal to x square, and the lines x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2. Clearly two curves are given and limits are also given. So directly we find the area. These are the limits to the variable x. What are the limits of x? X is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. What are the curves? These are in the form of y is equal to f of x, y is equal to g of x. When two curves are known, area between the curves, integral f of x minus g of x, that is x cube minus x square into dx. When the limits are known and curves are given, directly we find the area. If the limits are not given, then solving these two curves and find the values of x. Now integrate integral 1 to 2 integral x cube, integrate integral x cube x power 4 by 4 minus x cube by 3 between the limits 1 to 2. Now apply the limits. Take the upper limit first, 2 power 4, 16 by 4, 4 minus 8 by 3. Take the lower limit 1, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 8 by 3, 12 minus 8, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. LCM 12, 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus into minus plus. Again take LCM 12, 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17 by 12. Next problem. The area between the curves y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x and x axis and x axis. See here, curves are given but the limits are not given. If curves are given and limits are given, then directly we find the area. Here limits are not given, then solving these two curves and find the value of x. What are the given curves? Y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. Here equating these two, both are equals to y, so equating sin x and cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x, that means sin x by cos x is equal to 1 or tan x is equal to 1. Then what is x value? X is equal to pi by 4. So these two curves intersect at pi by 4. Okay. Now draw the graph. Positive side of y-axis. Take the angles on x-axis 0 to pi by 2, pi by 4, 0, 45, 90. First draw the graph of sin x. Sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, that is less than 1. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Now on joining we get this. This is the graph of y is equal to sin x. Next, cos x. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi by 4, same 1 by root 2. Cos 90, 0. This is the graph of y is equal to cos x. Now these two intersect at x is equal to pi by 4. At x is equal to pi by 4. Find the area between these two curves with x-axis, this part. For this, first we find this part area and this part area. For this part, the limits are 0 to pi by 4. For this 0 to pi by 4, here this curve is y is equal to sin x. Next, from pi by 4 to pi by 2. From pi by 4 to pi by 2, this curve is y is equal to cos x. See here, this entire area divided into two parts. For first part, this part, the curve is y is equal to sin x. For second part, for this part, y is equal to cos x. Now integrate and apply the limits. Integrate sin x minus cos x 0 to pi by 4. Integral cos x sin x pi by 4 to pi by 2. Minus, take minus common. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. Cos 0 1. Here sin pi by 2 1 minus sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 or minus root 2. Generally area is considered as positive. So area is equal to root 2. Here minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2. Here minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2. So area is 2 minus root 2. 2 minus root 2. Next, the area between the curve xy is equal to a square, comma x is equal to a, x is equal to 4a and x-axis. And x-axis. Okay, here limits of x are given. Then you find the area. Here we find the area directly without drawing the diagram. What are the limits of x? X varied from 0 to 4a. Here we consider the area on x-axis. So area is y into dx. If the limits of x are given, then area is integral y into dx. integral a to 4a. From the curve, what is y value? A square by x into dx. From the given curve, y is equal to a square by x. Now integrate. A square is constant. Integral 1 by x, that is log x, between the limits a to 4a. Here a to 4a. This is a square into, apply the upper limit log 4a, lower limit log a. It is in the form of log m minus log n, that is log of m by n, log of 4a by a, that is 4. So a square into log 4. Next, the area bounded by y is equal to 2 plus x under the lines y is equal to 2 minus x and x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, when two curves are given, solve the given curves. Here both are equals to y, so equating these two curves, 2 plus x is equal to 2 minus x. Now what we get? 2x is equal to 0. Solving, what we get? X plus x, 2x is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So x is equal to 0. When x is 0, what is y value here? 2. Here also y is 2. So point of intersection is 0 comma 2. Now area is equal to, what is the lower limit? 0. What is upper limit? 2. Integral 0 to 2 f of x minus g of x, 2 plus x minus 2 minus x into dx. When the limits are known, then directly we find the area. Now integrate and apply the limits. Here 2 get cancelled. Integral 0 to 2 x plus x 2x into dx. 2 into integral x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. 2 cancel. Apply the limits. 2 square 4 minus 0, that is 4. Next, Now we will do some problems in level 2 also. Write the first problem. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square by 4 plus x by 4 minus 1 by 2 with x-axis in the interval 0 comma 2. Okay, first we draw the shape of the curve. X-axis, it is y-axis, it is 0. X limits 0 to 2, 0, some 1 and 2. Now first we take x is equal to 0. When x is 0, y value 0, 0, minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, the negative side. When x is 0, y is minus 1 by 2. Next, when x is 1, y value 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0. Next, when x is 2, y value 2 square 4, 4 by 4, 1, 1 plus 2 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel, y value is 1, 1 means positive, 1 means positive. Now the shape of the curve is in this way. It is not a straight line. You observe that it is a quadratic equation in x, so it is not a straight line. Just draw the rough curve in this way. Now area bounded by this curve between the limits 0 to 2, x is equal to 0 is this line, x is equal to 2, it is the line x is equal to 2. Area means this part. This part. Now see here, in the interval 0 to 1, this curve is considered as negative because it lies below x-axis. In the interval 1 to 2, this curve is considered as positive because it lies above the x-axis. Okay, now area is equal to split this area into two parts. For first part, what are the limits of x? 0 to 1. Here it lies below the x-axis, so we take minus y dx. From 1 to 2, this curve is above x-axis, so we take y into dx. Always if the curve is below x-axis, we take it as negative because it is the negative side of y-axis. If the curve is above x-axis, we take it as positive. Why? It is the positive side of y-axis. Okay, integral 0 to 1, take minus common, y dx, y is x square by 4, x by 4 minus 1 by 2 to dx plus integral 1 to 2 x square by 4 plus x by 4 minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now integrate and apply the limits. Integral x square, x cube by 3, it is minus x cube by 3 into 4, 12 plus x square by 2, 2 into 4, 8, 1 by 2 into x, integral 1 dx, that is x between the limits 0 to 1 plus same integration x cube by 12 integral x square by 2, 2 into 4 8 minus x by 2 between the limits 1 to 2. Now apply the limits. Apply the limits and find the value. Upper limit 1, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Next, take the upper limit 2. Here we take the lower limit 0, 0 by anything 0. So we get the lower limit value 0. Next here 2 cube. Apply the upper limit 2. 2 cube 8 by 12. That is 2 by 3. 2 square 4 by 8 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2 1 minus of lower limit 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. This term and this term are same, minus x into minus x minus 2x. So write it as minus 2 into what is the LCM of these three? 24. 2 plus 3 minus 12 plus, see here, what is the LCM? 6. 3 2 times, 2 into 2 4 plus 3 minus 6. How calculate this value? 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 6 1 by 6, that is 1 by 6 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 5 minus 12 minus 7 into minus 2 plus 14 by 24 7 by 12. LCM is 12. 2 plus 7 9 by 12. 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. Next, the area bounded by the curves x is equal to minus 2y square and x is equal to 1 minus 3y square is okay. Here two curves are given, limits are not given. Now solving these two curves and find the point of intersection. Both are equals to x. X is equal to minus 2y square. That x is equal to 1 minus 3y square. Equating these two, what we get? Minus 3y square minus 2y square. Y square is equal to 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. The limits of y are minus 1 to plus 1. Now we consider y axis. So area is equal to, what are the limits of y? Minus 1 to plus 1. If you consider y axis, integrate with respect to y, dy. From the first curve, what is x value? If you consider y-axis, you write x into dy. What is x value? Minus 2y square. Minus, from the second curve, what is x value? 1 minus 3y square. If you consider y-axis, you write the function in terms of y and differentiate with respect to y. Integral minus 1 to 1, minus in minus plus, 3y square minus 2y square, y square minus 1 into dy. Integral y square, y cube by 3 minus integral 1 y minus 1 to 1. Apply the limits. Take the upper limit 1 by 3 minus 1 minus of, take the lower limit minus 1 whole cube minus 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 1 minus 2. This is 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 3. But the area is taken as positive quantity only. So area is equal to plus 4 by 3. Here you may consider either on x-axis or y-axis. If you consider on y-axis, you write the limits of y and integrate with respect to y. Okay.